My name is Niall. I'm from Dublin in Ireland. I'm a pilot. I am a scuba diver, I'm a marathon runner, I'm a swimmer, and I am a software developer. I'm brand new to this Web3 space, and I have decided to take part in the Chainlink Hackathon Fall 2022. I watched the open ceremony and I saw Patrick's emphasis on setting your intent to submit a project, and that is what I'm doing right now. In this video, it will be a short video. I want to let you know what my idea for the dApp is, and walk you through some of the simple technologies that I've used and tell you about my plans for the future of the dApp. So let me start by just very briefly explaining that my project, the intention of my project is to bring gamified education to the Web3 space. So previously I developed an app in iOS and Android that helps English speakers who are learning a foreign language like Spanish or French or German to learn vocabulary and to learn the gender of the nouns. So if it's a feminine noun or if it's a masculine noun. So for example, the Spanish word for banana is plátano and it's el plátano. Other words obviously have la. I think probably the easiest thing to do is show you a quick demo. So here's the UX for the dApp. The user connects his wallet to the dApp using MetaMask. I've just sped up this part of the video here. Everyone's familiar with connecting wallet, I hope. Then the user clicks play or to play the quiz, and he is charged 0.0001 ETH to play. And that transaction is mined, and as soon as it's mined, the user is then asked his first quiz question. So the question is going to be, what is the gender of the Spanish word for banana, plátano? And the answer is masculine, so it's L, the blue button. And there you go, the user gets his answer, correct answer, the score increases, and he or she can ask for the next question. So that's Clementina, it's La Clementina, and so on and so forth. So let me walk you through the technologies that I used. Well, I used the Brownie framework to develop the Solidity stuff, and the core of it obviously is my quiz contract. And to enter the Chainlink Hackathon, I used Chainlink's price feed for their US dollar to ETH exchange rate, and so that's using the aggregator. To enter the IPFS Filecoin stream, I used IPFS to store all my content. That's the questions and the pictures that you saw. And I wrote a script here to create an IPFS client and to upload all my images to the client. And while I was doing the upload, I also wrote a small text file which had all my picture metadata, and that was uploaded to IPFS as well. So all the quiz is in IPFS. Finally, if we look at the UX, this is HTML and JavaScript. And the one thing I want to highlight here in JavaScript is using the Infura gateway to show the pictures. So the pictures are downloaded from Infura using their CID that I got when I uploaded them originally. All of this is obviously uploaded to my GitHub, and that is part of the submission. So how would I like to progress this project, and where is this dApp going? Well, there's several things I would like to do. One is that I've realized that JavaScript isn't adequate for the front end, and that I'd like to re-engineer that and using Node.js to do so, and in conjunction with that using probably Web3.js to communicate better with the contract in terms of updates and retrieving information. I would like to buffer downloading the content so that there's no delay in displaying the images when the user is doing the quiz. Also, I would like to get a league going within the contract so that users can see where they are on the league ladder. And finally, I'd actually like to look at migrating the whole dApp to IPFS so it's properly hosted within the Web3 space. The last thing I would mention is that I can see good scope for introducing NFTs for where users achieve high scores or complete certain levels successfully or whatever. I have loads more content in terms of pictures and questions, and also I have audio which I would like to look at introducing. So I've learned loads from participating in the hackathon and attempting this project. I'm absolutely delighted about that. One of the biggest things I've learned is that there's absolutely loads more to learn. I plan to continue working on this dApp for a learning point of view and possibly from a commercialization point of view. I'd like to say thank you for watching. Thank you for allowing me to participate in this hackathon. You can catch me on Twitter at NSTAP, and have a great day.